Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you how to do what's called the Army roll. And this is how I learned it in the Army and how I still do it. I kind of tweak it a little bit, but not much, but it's 99% the same. Two different style shirts here I'm going to do. Just a t-shirt, and you can also do it with a button-up shirt. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to take these off and mess them all up so you can see. First thing you want to do, now they always tell you to put it face down. In a lot of videos will. I like it face up because that way it's easier for me to straighten the top out, and with the logo on the inside it protects the front a little more. I know that's not a big deal to some people, but here's where it's easier for me. You want to get this straight as possible, wrinkle free as possible, because then it'll still be a little wrinkly, but it won't be that bad. Here's where it's easier with it up, the little gap here. Very important on the bottom too, make sure it's even down here at the bottom. Make sure it's real even. You want to fold in the sleeves. You can do this with a long sleeve. It'll just go down like this, kind of at an angle. So it's still kind of straight. Same thing here. And how much goes in will depend on how long your sleeve is. These aren't very long sleeves. So just try to get it straight as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Okay, now you're gonna want to fold this in thirds. This side here, I just know from doing it's gonna be about a little bit past this side of the, here, it just, like I said, it doesn't have to be perfect. You know, just right about there, that's fine. Pat it down, straighten it out. And you do this once and get the wrinkles out and straighten the bottom out, your shirt will be less wrinkled. Now, the bottom of your shirt, bring up. Here's where you're gonna notice if it was bad. If you go like this and it's gonna be really off, a little bit off like that, it's not a big deal. Bring it up about your 4 fingers, like this. If you're a female, smaller hands, you probably want a little bit more than your hands, but that's what you want. I find it easy to turn around, roll it tight. Tight as you can. And when you get to the end here, just lift up, not the whole thing, just this top one. And you're gonna tuck it in. Right here, just like that. And then tuck it around. You don't want too much or this is gonna be real loose. You don't want too little. You got yourself Army roll right there. That's not gonna go anywhere. Don't need anything with it. Now, we're gonna do button-up shirt. About the same, but one thing you want to make sure, we'll go through this, the buttons down first, because there's a little different, not much. Make sure it's neat. You want the over the top, where the buttons, the holes are, kind of over the top, right there. You still want to straighten all this out. Now, this is where it's going to be a little different than some of the bottoms. Just do the best you can. Same thing, tuck this here. You can see how this one goes in more, so it's pretty straight. It's pretty straight. We can do the same thing to a third. Bring this over to a third. Here's where you can straighten it out more. And when you fold it over, this one you want to fold a little more. Remember the last one was a hand? I almost want a hand and another 1 or 2 more fingers. Go over. And what I do with this collar, I don't tighten it there to wrinkle it. I bring the collar over once, again, and then I start going tight just to help protect the collar out a little bit. Pull it in tight. When you get here, here's where you left a little extra. Since it's a little looser, you can tuck it a little more and just go around. You got yourself another roll. Now, if you're worried about this coming undone, you can buy these. The link will be down below. You can get these on Amazon. It comes in a big roll and it's real inexpensive. You just grab it, put it on. You got it. Now, one other thing I can show you is when you get to this point, when you like before, when you tuck this here, just like before, this is just the t-shirt. Pair of socks. Put a pair of socks right in the middle. Flat as you can get them. Flat as you can get them. And you want them about in the middle. You don't want them too far that way. If anything, a little bit this way. And this one, you don't have to like fold because the collar, you can just start going tight. And what this is going to give you is a pair of socks with every shirt. This is what we were trained when we'd go to the field. And you can do the same thing with the Velcro if you want. So there you got a shirt, army roll. You can see it's not going anywhere. And get a pair of socks with it here. I hope this helps doing the army rolls here for your shirts. You can see here, they're about the same there. And I appreciate everybody watching this. If you like it, please like and subscribe if you don't mind. If you guys ever do the army rolls before, or if you found this helpful, I do appreciate it. Everybody have a great day. Thanks. Bye.